Hello everyone, in this video we'll cover how to disable the annoying notifications, suggestions and tips from Microsoft. First, from the taskbar, you can select either Focus Assist or Priority Only. For more, go to Settings, Notifications. First, disable suggestions and tips. If you only want to disable the sound from notifications, then disable this option, allow notifications to play sounds. You can disable or enable the apps that you don't use, or you can disable all notifications in general. If you click on Focus Assist, you can set the Focus Assist to off, priority only, alarm only, and you can enable the option to show a summary of what you missed when you used the Focus Assist option. You also have some automatic rules of when to receive notifications, and if you click on Customize Priority List, and you can customize the list of apps that can show notifications. To add any program, click on the Add button, and of course to remove any option from the priority list, click on Remove. You can also disable these options to show incoming calls, reminders and notifications. Personally, I disable all notifications because I find them useless. If you need them, you can customize the notifications options however you like. And if you wanna use your computer more privately and securely, you can watch my video about Windows 11 security and how to disable telemetry and data collection settings. The link will be in the description. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.